Now guys, let's see what we got for big ass ports. It's obviously a big ass box. But just what is inside, I don't know. Exactly. I mean, there might be something else. I don't know, but I know there's a port in here because that's what I ordered. I don't know about anything else. Oh crap! There's a lot. There is a tremendous amount of paper. It's like that trick where they just keep pulling the thing out. So yeah, a lot. There's like 20 feet of that. All right, so in this box, this is some thick stuff, man. Heavy stuff. Dang. It looks pretty cool. I may have to leave it white. This is like way thicker than I expected it to be. I mean, there's mass in that. That's heavy. So here's the front part with a logo. And of course you could just use those two together if you wanted to make a little short. Actually, there's another piece in there too. There's a ring in there. And then there's this whole section. Now guys, this has weight to it. This thing probably, this is 3 sections right here. And then besides the flare on the inside and outside, there's another section right here. And I'm going to say just these sections right here together probably weigh, 15 pounds. There's a lot of mass to that. It ain't as thin. I thought it was going to be a lot thinner. But this is what's going to be handling my tune on that big old wall in the Tahoe. Getting busy, man. This is a 14.5-inch hole. All these are countersunk. That's cool. What we got in here? We got a little bit of stuff. What we got? No, we don't. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right, I got my shipping deal no bigger. And they sent me a floating towel, baby. I'm going to need that. I'm hoping I'm going to need this. See what we got going on here. Yeah. There's a free towel in there. So, it ain't very big, I guess, But, it does have a logo on it, so that's cool. Toss it up in the air, let it blow like the I hope this is going to be a thing. I don't know yet. But if it'll float, I'm going to float it. I'm going to give it the beans. Okay, so you scan the QR deal, and you can get. It'll give you the cutout sizes and length guide to help with tuning. That's cool. It looks like there's a sticker in there too. Yeah, there's a little vinyl in there too, so that's cool. I can put that somewhere. I like stickers. Anyway, that is the big ass port setup. So you can make this any length that you want, and it all fits together. And you can get up to that long. That's a long port. Now, the fellow that had this before, had that box, the one that built that box, said he was running, let's see here. Come on. There you go. It stuck together really well. But he said he was running the longest one and the front and the back, which isn't a whole lot. It's about a little longer than this. I can run quite a bit longer than that and get low. So I'm looking forward to it. I don't even know how to get that off of there. I may just leave it on there. But they recommend that you use heavy duty packing tape to seal these up. And my hands are weak. And I can't pull that off. I'd have to get something and wedge it in there and break it loose. It's stuck on there pretty good. But we'll figure it out. And we'll create a wicked setup with lots of air movement and big lows, big deep lows. I'm hoping I can get it down into the get it tuned down into the at least high 20s and then play in the mid 20s. And the boy has found the paper, so I'll show him to you. He wants to be on camera. He found the paper and he is very much enjoying the paper. Ain't you, buddy? Well, come on. Oh, I'm going to do camera shy. So, I'm hoping that I can play into the mid-20s and get low and make lots of wind, do hair tricks, all that stuff. But, I mean, you know, I'm only pushing 8,000 watts, so I ain't expecting the world. I'm just waiting to see how it goes. I know those drivers that I'm using are rated for 2,000 watts RMS each. They'll handle more than that. And I might at some point step up to something else. 10,000, 15,000, something like that. Maybe even 20,000. I don't know if I'll be able to use those subs on 20K, but you know, there's something out there that'll work. So we'll see. But one day I will do some hair tricks. If it don't do them this round, it'll come in the future. We'll find out, though. I'm looking forward. You guys subscribe if you want to see my feeble attempt at hair tricks, and if you want to see this whole thing come together and see all the cool, crazy, silly stuff I do, then hit that subscribe button. And well, we can put the big ass ports to work, because damn.